guys, this is RD and yeah, we're playing Treescape.
Kami tinulungan kami ni Kuya Dan. Tapos hindi na nga nagawa ni Pen yung mga bed. Pagod na naman talaga siya. Yung nakailang balik siya ng drive.
Yeah,
So,
I'm gonna show you some tricks. And let's go play.
No. Nakiusap na lang ako dun sa may-ari. Tumulong naman. Well, technically hindi. Because,
yeah. If you don't know what TC is,
ba yung previous tenant dito sa Omido? Kasi lahat ng hair nandyan pa. Tapos parang may amoy dog. So meaning, no, hindi nila sinampoo. Yes, 1,000.
yeah, if you don't know what True Credit is, well, it's right over here at the top. And yeah, I can't hack this because this is different. Yeah.
Okay naman. It looks okay. As in, yun nga lang kasi may smell and may hair ng pet.
Now, let's go play.
Ayoko ng may pet.
The reason why I'm using YouTube videos, it's because, this is my first, I have many YouTube videos, and yeah, I just started like September 2015. Yeah. Tomorrow, I might be doing a Nerf war or a Nerf review. If you guys don't know what's in All the Impossible, you need to do this. Yeah. And if you wanna go at missions, just go here.
Magkano ba yung ganun ads para may idea ko? Hindi mahal yun. Magkano ba usually yung ganyan? Ang shampoo. Pero usually how much ba yan? Baka sis mamaya sabihin, hindi mahal yan. Hindi namin kaya cover. You know what? Sabi niya, pinashampoo daw. Sabi ko, how is that possible? Sabi ko, super daming hair. Lalo na sa... Yeah.
Yes,
Oh my.
And if you guys don't know how to get True Credits, do tricks, and if you wanna do missions, just do missions. If you guys don't know how to download this is actually very you need to pay for this.
Maglipat dito, you know why? Hindi katulad sa atin naman, meron ka ng truck. May kasama ng tao yung to fix for you.
That is right.
Not like dito, babayaran mo pa yung tao. Okay na.
Let's do this.
Oo, ang bait naman talaga nila. Just as of now. Sino Darwin? Yeah. Tapos nagbigay pa sila ng calculator. Wala daw. Tapos yung wifi nila, pinahiram mo na sa amin. Kasi nga, hindi naman namin sabay-sabay na talaga.
This is super nice for you, man.
Talaga. They specifically said, this deposit currently will go sa pag-clean ng apartment. So, I was thinking, okay, fine, sige. Just pag-clean ko, kasi namabaki yung ko. Nasaan ko? Nasaan ganyan? Puro white na fur. May mga sinabi o sira Hindi naman siya luma.
Yeah.
Oo. It's just that talagang pag mainit yung tanghali, ganito, maaamoy mo yung dog.
Yeah, and I just want to check the picture because I just want to check it again. This is not a gameplay. There's a cheat for this. It's pretty easy. Yeah. Oh, so laggy.
Buti na lang wala akong hika.
Oh my gosh, there's so many until.
Kaya lang syempre may baby, mamaya maaraman niya.
No, actually, would. Yes. Yeah. I don't know why it's like
Malinis
this.
naman as, yeah. Yung